Well, this is Litre Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2016 Suzuki Swift, stock number 6125. This ran from the 10th 2013 to the 3rd 2017. It has a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a K14B 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Left rear taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front headlight. Right front 15-inch steel wheel, good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, 3 small dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.